today we'll be learning about the accounting process. The topics to be covered are introduction, objectives, meaning of accounting process, the details contained in subsidiary books. We will also be studying subsidiary books such as purchase books, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, cash books. Now, cash book is a very popular book. It is usually prepared on a monthly basis and it is prepared by all organizations, चाहे वो छोटी हो, बड़ी हो, non-profit हो या for profit के लिए. Cash book is like a journal as well as a ledger. A cash book also acts like a ledger account. Let us look at the format of a cash book. A cash book has two sides, a debit side and a credit side. Debit side records all your cash receipts, whereas a credit side records all your cash payments. In your debit side, there will be 4 columns: date, particulars, LF and amount. These 4 columns will also be on the credit side of the cash book. That is, your credit side will also have date, particulars, LF and amount. Now, a cash book has multiple formats. There can be a single column cash book and a double column cash book. Now, in a single column cash book, only the cash transactions are recorded. Business single column cash book तब prepare करता है अगर उनके सारे transactions cash में ही हैं. Receipts of cash on the debit side and payments of cash on the credit side. जब cash और बैंक दोनों account use होते हैं तब हम prepare करते हैं double column cash book. A double column cash book also starts with the opening balances. In this, in addition to the opening balance for cash, we also record the opening balance for bank accounts. We will understand this better with the help of an illustration. Let us look at an illustration of a double column cash book. Now, all the figures in this illustration are assumed. जैसे हम single column cash book में सिर्फ cash column दिखाते थे, हम double column cash book में cash और bank दोनों का column दिखाएंगे. So, on the debit side, now there will be column for date, receipts, ledger folio, cash, bank, and on the credit side, there will be column for date, payments, ledger folio, cash and bank. मैं आपको फिर से याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ, debit side is for receipts and credit side is for payments. Now, let's just look at the transactions recorded on the receipt side. सबसे पहले हमने लिखा है balance brought forward. Now, in the cash column, there is a balance of 11,500 and in the bank column, there is a balance of 13,000. This means ये हमारा जून का closing balance होगा जो हमने जुलाई में carry forward करा है. On July 6th, we received 1,800 for sales. Therefore, we have recorded 2 sales as 1,800 in cash column. On July 7th, हमने Z & Company से बैंक अकाउंट में रिसीव करे हैं 7,000. इसलिए हम उसे डेबिट साइड पर लिख देंगे to Z & Company 7,000. Similarly, if we received 2,000 from RK Corporation, we will record that on the debit side. On July 30th, there was a cash sale of 2,500. Cash sales में cash हमारे books में आया होगा, इसलिए we will record it on the debit side as 2 sales 2,500. The purpose of writing down a brief description is to help the business understand where the cash is coming from as well as how are we utilizing the cash. Now, the total of the debit side of cash is 15,800 as well as the total of bank side is 22,000. Now, cash का debit side का total है 15,800 और बैंक का total है 22,000. Now, let's look at the payments. पेमेंट साइड में यूजली हमारे एक्सपेंसेस आते हैं या फिर हम किसी क्रेडिटर्स को पे करते हैं या परचेज करते हैं तो वो सारी हमारी पेमेंट साइड में आएगी. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. सबसे पहले है वेजेस का पेमेंट. वी हैव पेड 150 एज वेज इन कैश, देयरफॉर वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड दैट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. सिमिलरली हमने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए 800 रुपीज़ दिए थे अपने बैंक अकाउंट से, तो वो हमने बैंक कॉलम में क्रेडिट साइड में दिखा दिया. सैलरीज हमने फिर से दी 4400 की थ्रू कैश, इसलिए हमने वो अपनी क्रेडिट साइड में सैलरीज के अंडर दिखा दिया. वी ऑल्सो पेड ओ लिमिटेड 11,200. Therefore, we will show that under the credit side in the bank column. We purchased plant through cash. फिर वो हम credit side में दिखाएंगे under the cash column. Assuming हमारे जुलाई के मंथ में और कोई transactions नहीं है, फिर हम अपना कैश बुक क्लोज कर देंगे. हमारे डेबिट साइड का टोटल कैश का आ रहा है 15,800 और क्रेडिट साइड का आ रहा है 8,550. दैट मीन्स देयर इज़ अ बैलेंसिंग फिगर ऑफ 7,250 in your cash column on the credit side. Now, if your debit side is more than the credit side, that means the cash book has a debit balance. So, the debit balance of cash is 7,250. हम इसे on the closing date of July, that is 31st को लिखेंगे by balance carried forward 7,250. Now this will be the opening balance for the next month. Similarly, हम अपना बैंक अकाउंट भी क्लोज करेंगे. बैंक का डेबिट साइड का टोटल आ रहा है 22,000, whereas क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल आ रहा है 12,000. That means बैंक में भी क्रेडिट साइड में 10,000 क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है. Bank is also said to have a debit balance of 10,000. We will write it as by balance carried forward 10,000. Now, let us look at cash book with cash and discount column. सबसे पहले हम discount को समझते हैं. Now, discount can be in two ways, cash discount and trade discount. Let's say मैंने अपने कस्टमर को 10,000 रुपीज़ के गुड्स बेचे हैं. In order to encourage prompt payment, मैं उसे 3% डिस्काउंट देती हूँ अगर वो मेरे को अगले 10 दिनों में पेमेंट कर देता है. Now this 3% is known as cash discount. Cash discount is usually offered to customers in order to encourage early payment. अगर कस्टमर मेरे को अगले 10 दिनों में पेमेंट कर देता है तब उसे मुझे 10,000 नहीं बल्कि 9,700 रुपीज़ देने पड़ेंगे. This is known as a cash discount. On the other hand, trade discount is a reduction on the sale price. Let's say मैंने बहुत ह्यूज ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है. So instead of charging an MRP of 10, the supplier is charging me an MRP of 9. This 1 rupee is a trade discount. Therefore, मेरा परचेज प्राइस 9 होगा और ना कि 10. Trade discount therefore is not recorded in the books of accounts. इसलिए हम trade discount को reduction in the sale price कहते हैं और वो हमारी books of accounts में रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता है. Now, cash book with cash and discount column is used to record the balances in cash, bank as well as the discount. Discount can be either discount received or discount allowed. Discount received हम अपने creditors और suppliers से करते हैं. Whereas, on the other hand, discount allowed is the discount expense we allow to our customers. Therefore, discount allowed comes on the receipt side क्योंकि ये cash receipt से related है and discount given comes on the payment side क्योंकि ये हमें हमारे suppliers ने दिया हुआ है. We will study how to prepare the cash book with cash and discount column in the next topic.